Welcome back to EaseLaw In, your go-to place for simple and smart legal drafting. Now, creating documents just got even easier. With the new voice-to-text converter in the document generation section. Instead of typing long legal documents, just speak. And EaseLaw will instantly convert your voice into accurate text. Step 1. Visit EaseLaw In on your browser. Step 2. Go to the Generate Documents section. Step 3. Choose Voice-to-Text Converter. Click the mic icon, start speaking clearly, and watch as your words appear on screen in real time. Once done, you can edit, copy, or download your text directly. It's fast, easy, and super convenient. Try it today at EaseLaw In, making legal documentation simple and smarter.